ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Six of Cups, followed by the Two of Cups. Parang isa lang ang sinasabi nito. Miss na miss mo na ang mahal mo. So this can be, sabihin natin, kaya nag-away kayo, kaya hindi. Baka totoong meron lang kayong separation, no? Separation can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, or energetic, pwede natin sabihin itong si person ay nasa, kahit nakikita kayo, sabihin natin hindi kayo madalas nag-uusap, less communication to no communication. So, namimiss mo na yung mga dati niyong ginagawa. Namimiss mo na yung kalinga ni person. Namimiss mo na yung boses niya. Namimiss mo na yung pag-uusap ninyo, no? I feel like siguro hindi ka nasanay ng malayo si person, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng somewhat codependency siguro kasi either sa kanya na umikot yung mundo mo or sabihin nating your life or your everyday life, no? Parang routine ang nangyari with you and your person. So, let's see some more cards. Give me a couple of sec. With the Seven of Pentacles, you're waiting for your person or you are still waiting for your person. Again, pwede itong yung separation ninyo is LDR. Pwede nga nandyan lang din siya, no? Pero hindi nga kayo nag-uusap. Parang, I think that you're still praying, no? Or you are praying to see this person very soon. The Page of Wands on the Knight of Pentacles. So may stagnation dito. Stagnation is things are not moving. Well, obviously, in-explain ko talaga. The Page of Wands, siguro sa ano mo na lang siya nakikita sa internet, no? Internet, sa mga social medias. Or probably, pwede rin naman napapanaginipan mo itong si person. Mas close kayo siguro sa panaginip. Mas close kayo siguro kapag nagde-daydream ka. Mas close kayo, nafe-feel mo na kapag tinitignan mo online. Nakakalungkot kasi if this is online, minsan nakikita mong nakangiti siya. Parang gusto mong sabihin sa sarili mo, sana part ako, no, ng saya niya. Sana part ako ng ngiti niya. Sana part na witness ko in person. Sana part ako nung event na yon, no? With the Emperor, kasi hindi mo rin mapipigilan tong si person mo dahil I feel like si person kasi ang may gusto, no, nitong separation. Hindi naman, kung wala naman talaga, kung LDR lang to, baka your person needs to do something very important. The Emperor. Kasi si Emperor, the Emperor can even sacrifice their own happiness to do what is right, no? And sometimes, the Emperor needs to save the kingdom. even that means their own death, di ba? Wow. Parang, sige, papagutin ko yung sarili ko, maibigay ko lang, no? Sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, yung pangangailangan nila. LDR. Ganun ka, kabayani, no? Ang puso nito ni person. Or, pwede rin namang, kung siya kasi ang may gusto, at meron kayong away, or misunderstanding, I think that your person here is kind of like giving you a parang coldness, no? Alam mo, tinitikis ka kapag ganon, with the Knight of Swords, you keep on waiting, kailan ba ito mangyayari? Either may promises or wala. Parang naiinip ka, sana kasama ko na, sana nakikita ko na, sana nandito kami sa part na may mga bagay kaming napagkakasunduan, nakakapag-usap kami, no? With the Hangman, pwede nating sabihin ditong you're in doubt, no? You are sitting on a fence. Is this person still wants me? Is this person really coming home? Is this person who wants to see me? Is this person still loves me? No? You may be questioning things right now because you're seeing it stagnation. You may be questioning things as of the moment because, like what I said, there's no movement. The Eight of Cups and the Strength card. Ang fear mo dito yung masanay si person na magkalayo kayo. Masanay si person na wala ka sa tabi niya. Masanay si person or mag-decline, no? Kumonte ang kanyang pagmamahal sa'yo. So, with the Fool card, what I'm seeing with the Fool card is sabihin nating, uy, wow, the Fool card signifies itong I feel like meron kang gustong mangyari. Chances are, if not next month, next year, meron kang gagawin siguro, or this is a prayer that you probably wanting to execute na. So may plan din, no? What is this? The Five of Swords and the Chariot. Either sumunod, or sumunod dun kay person kung LDR, or ikaw na ang mag-initiate, no, ng step. With the Nine of Cups, the Three of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles, nakikita ko dito na your action is needed a bit, no? Or even hard work for this to happen. Kasi ang longing, ang wanting is nasa iyo. So, this can be successful kung ikaw ang mag-initiate. Ito yung sinasabi, you have to work on this for you to get what you want instead of waiting. Kung nandun naman talaga yung sense of urgency, ikaw na, no? Ang una. Pero kung mag-aantay ka, it may take a little while. At yung agony, yung anxiety, medyo haba. Yeah, so this is your reading. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong question, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Cancer, Libra, Aries, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, magkatabi pa, oh. Halos magkapatong nga, eh. Scorpio to Scorpio. Sagittarius na sabi natin. Capricorn is here. Virgo is here. Cancer. Another Scorpio. Aquarius. Yan. Aries, nasabi naman natin yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.